Lord, I've been searching high and low. If there's a way through, Lord, please show me. Won't let this world take control. In just a blink it pulls my heart in and pulls me in. Each step I take towards it. And now I'm trying to stop. Can I control it? Controlling, yeah.
Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to vlog 3. I'm currently in the Fairmont Hotel. We had an amazing lecture in the Movenpick Hotel this morning. It was so insightful.
Won't stop at nothing, or never will I just give in. It's time I change my condition.
We try and have a daily program within Makkah, within Medina, and several programs within Mina in the days of Arafat to ensure that we're all spiritually connected, we've got a renewed intention. Are there any concerns that people have, and to understand the journey that we're making, alhamdulillah, following the footsteps of Ibrahim alayhi salam, fulfilling our wish to be closer to Allah. So those reminders from scholars that have the experience of being to Hajj many years at a time are invaluable for people who are attending, especially those who are coming to Hajj for the first time. It's that little boost that keeps them on this journey, alhamdulillah.
We're just going to have a quick tea meeting in the Fairmont, and then we're going to actually go out to Mina to see it all empty, prepared but empty. So it's a jam-packed day, so make sure you stay tuned, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog.
I'm done, I made my decision. Oh Rabbi, please just guide me right back. Won't stop at nothing, oh never will I just give in. It's time I change my condition. Oh Rabbi, please just guide me right back.
The Kuwaiti mosque. This is the only mosque here in this area near European tent there. There's another mosque, Al-Qith Mosque.
So we're in the tents now. We're here with Samir. Samir's been working hard. What have you been up to?
Assalamu alaikum. We've been working hard just to make sure the Hajj is Insha'Allah enjoying and have more comfort as much as we can.
So everyone can focus on their ibadah while they're here.
Yes, and Insha'Allah, the heat it's too much. So we're trying to eliminate it and minimize it as much as we can.
How much have you got left to do? What's left?
And Insha'Allah, we are nearly there. Most of the fans now are on the places. We need to make sure they are connected. All of them are working fine before the Hajj start getting to Mina. So we will test all of them, make sure all the fans are running the sockets.
I've been chasing this world like it won't be fading. I'm done, I made my decision. Oh Rabbi, please just guide me right back.
So that's it for today's video, guys. Just had to get out of the room because the rest of the guys are resting up. But if you did enjoy today's vlog, please do leave it a like. Please comment your thoughts below. And please do share this video to all your friends and family to share the amazing journey of Hajj. Inshallah, we'll see you in vlog 4, where we're going to be going out to Mina to stay there with the whole Dome Tours team, and it's going to be such an amazing experience. So please do tune in for that vlog, and I hope to see you then, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.